Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have square root of a plus 5 is equals to square root of a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here the reason to solving this problem for first method is that if in your exam the question statement is that you just determine the values of a, or you just determine the roots of this equation. So in that case you need to do the solution of this problem from first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you just determine the solution set of this question, so in that case you just move directly towards the second method. But both of these methods are valid to solve these types of questions. And now here we move toward the solution of this problem. The very first thing we are going to do is first we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as square root of a plus 5 whole square is equals to square root of a and its whole square. And further in the next step, we need to use the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side. And after using this formula, it will be written as, you know about this formula, if we have x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square. So here we use this nice formula. You see here, this is our x and this value is our y. So after applying this formula, we write our above equation as first we have x square. Here our x is square root of a and its whole square plus 2 times of x is square root of a and y is 5 plus y square. Y is 5 square is equals to this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here a only. And now in the next step we need more simplification, and you see here these 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here a only. Plus here we have 2 times of 5 becomes 10 times of square root of a, plus this 5 square becomes 25 is equals to a. And now here in the next step we move a from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as a plus 10 times of square root of a plus 25. This is positive a becomes negative a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So this minus a and this plus a are cancelled out by each other, and we get here this is 10 times of square root of a plus 25, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the values of a, or find the root of this equation. So for this we move all the other terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and we have 10 times of square root of a is equals to, this is positive 25 becomes negative 25. And now here further in the next step we need to remove this 10 from left hand side. For this we divide both of the sides by 10. So when we divide by 10, it will be written as 10 times square root of a divided by 10 equals to minus 25 divided by 10. This 10 and this 10 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here in the left hand side is square root of a, and in the right hand side we need some simplification here. So we cancelled these two terms by the table of 5, and we get 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So we get the value of square root of a is equals to minus 5 divided by 2. So here for the values of a, we need to remove the square root sign. For this we take squaring on both of the sides, and you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here a only is equals to, here you see that this is minus 5 square, and you know about that the square of negative term becomes positive, and square of 5 becomes 25, and the square of 2 becomes here 4. So this is the value of a which we get here in the first method. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of a is satisfied our given question statement, or is this value of a be the extraneous root? So for verification, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of a plus 5 is equals to square root of a. So here we substitute the value of a on both of the sides at the place of a. So we have, when you put it here, it will becomes square root of 25 divided by 4 plus this is 5 is equals to square root of 25 divided by 4. Here you know about that the square root of 25 becomes 5 only, and the square root of 4 becomes 2 plus 5 is equals to, similarly the square root of 25 becomes 5, and the square root of 4 becomes here 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, here we need to take the LCM into the left hand side, and its LCM becomes here 2. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here 5 plus 2 times 5 becomes 10 is equals to 5 divided by 2. So here we have 5 plus 10 becomes 15 divided by 2 is equals to 5 divided by 2. And here you see that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, this means that the value of a is equals to 25 over 4 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that a is equals to 25 over 4 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because a is not satisfied our given question statement. And now here we move towards the second method. So in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is square root of a plus 5 is equals to square root of a. So this is the our given question statement, and here here our second method be the very quickest method, and here we quickly get the values of a. So here we just move this square root of a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 5 is equals to square root of a minus square root of a. These two are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 5 is equals to 0. And here you see that 5 is not equals to 0 in general, or in other words we say that it is not possible case. So it is not possible that 5 equals to 0. This means that in the second method we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.